In the last lesson, we learned about the 2-octave G major scale. Let's review that now, starting at the bottom and just going to the top of the scale, playing quarter notes. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to use the notes of that scale, specifically a lot of the notes from the 2nd octave, to play Ode to Joy. Let's talk about a few fingerings in Ode to Joy before we play. In the first measure, we're going to start with the first finger on B natural, and then we're going to shift when the C natural comes a half step, replacing our second finger with our first finger, and playing a first finger on C natural. This same phrase happens again in bar 5, and we'll do the same fingering. Second, in bar 10, we'll have a first finger on A natural, and then shift up a half step, replacing our first finger again, where our second finger is, and play a second finger on B natural and a fourth finger on C natural. This happens again in the following bar. And finally, notice the tie in bar 12, between the 4th beat and the 1st beat of bar 13. That tie is equal to 2 quarter notes, or a half note, and should sound the same length as a half note. Let's play Ode to Joy together. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Now we've played Ode to Joy together using a lot of the 2nd octave of G major in a beautiful legato bow stroke.